Hey you guys, long time no see. I have been in the process of moving. I'm in my new house right now. I'm wearing no makeup because I'm thinking about filming a Halloween look later today. But I ran to the Dollar Tree like just now. That's why I'm like sweating out of breath, because although it's the middle of October, it is so hot here in St. Louis. Like I literally can't deal. So I thought I would show you a few of the things that I purchased. So if you're interested in these types of videos, then keep on watching. All right, so let's start with food items so I can put them away and my dogs stop sniffing them. I grabbed this Arizona green tea. This is a 59-ounce bottle. This was also an impulse buy. This is French fried onions. I grabbed these to put on top of my salads just to add a little crunch. But you do have to be careful because 2 tablespoons are 45 calories. And then I picked up a package of this potato gnocchi. I purchased this before and it was pretty good the way that I served it. So I may do a video on that. Look at like. And then I always see people haul this pink Himalayan salt, you know, with the grinder. I purchase this usually at like Marshall's or something. And I'm surprised how big the bottle is. Like I've only seen pictures on like Instagram and stuff, and I always thought it was like a miniature one. It is in a plastic container. Most of the ones I buy are glass, but I don't mind that. So anyway, I'm assuming this is just like any other pink Himalayan salt. And then this was also an impulse buy. It is a 5-pack of the Reese's white peanut butter cups. It's like lunchtime and I should have eaten first, so I have just some random items. But I will have you know, I did put the moon pies back. They were in my cart and I was like, you're out of control. So I put them back. And then I picked up this little placemat. I needed a new one to put underneath my dog bowls for the girls that you see running around. So this one to me was the cutest. It's just like this chalkboard looking black and it says blessed. Hashtag blessed. And then I picked up this pet food scooper. I just purchased, you know, the plastic food bins at Walmart, and I saw this and thought, well, might as well. And then I picked up this plate cover for the microwave because our house has all new appliances and the microwave already has splatters, and like I can't deal. So I picked this up to help prevent that. And then I have already picked up one of these like a month ago, and I do like it. It is the fridge. It says soda can storage. You can put whatever. You could also probably put this in your cabinets for like your canned goods. So there was 2 left, so I just grabbed them. I really only needed 1, but I thought, well, what if I need more? And then they don't have them. So anyway. So since I moved, I also went to a new Dollar Tree location on Jeffco, if you're in St. Louis area. The outside looked sketch magetch, and it was pretty unorganized compared to some of the nicer Dollar Trees I've been to, but they had some really good stuff, so I'll continue. So I needed 2 new baskets or bins to store like washcloths and towels, like little hand towels. I just like to keep them in these so that they're not toppling over. I have them in baskets now, but they're like a wicker basket that I'm going to use somewhere else that's like out in the open. So I thought these are kind of like a bronzy gold. So I thought these were neutral enough. A lot of times the Dollar Tree has tons of like the bright colored, which is fine, but I just think, you know, these look nice and clean. So I also picked up 4 of the white baskets. They're plastic. I don't really know where I'm going to use these yet, but like I said, I think the white just looks nice and clean, a little bit more expensive, and so it's really hard to find, like I said, the neutral color, so I just picked them up while I was there. And then I picked up this metal wreath hanger. It's pretty flimsy, so I wouldn't put anything too heavy, but These are just nice to have. My other one's still in my old house and it's pretty scratched up looking. So they had green, red, and then this, it was in the Christmas section. So I just got the goldy one. And then I had also seen somebody haul these. They're like a black metal door, over the door hook, and it has 4 hooks, you know, that are double pegged or whatever you would call it. So anyway, I just thought this would be good to have. I have some like cheap plastic ones, so I thought this just looked a little bit nicer. Excuse the dogs, like they're, I don't know if you can see them, they love rolling on the carpet. So anyway, I also saw people haul this over the cabinet towel bar, and it is adjustable. One thing to look for is a lot of the towel bars that I saw didn't have an end cap on one end. So I found one that had the plastic thing on both ends. I got so much, you guys. I'm telling you, it was a pretty good location. And then I picked up these dry floor cloths. I don't know if these are good, but there's 20 of them, so I thought I would at least try. I had picked up the Brillo wet version, and those are pretty good. But this is just a random brand. Lucy, this is not food. So anyway, we have hardwoods like everywhere but the bedrooms in this new house, and I have a dog that sheds terribly. So I thought instead of trying to sweep, I would use this. I'll let you know if these are good or not. And then I always pick up this Pet Fresh. It's basically baking soda with OxyClean. You sprinkle it on your carpet, let it sit a while, and vacuum it up, and it's supposed to just freshen up your carpet. The bedrooms, they do have carpet, and I'm pretty sure they had pets at some point, so I did clean the carpets, but you know, just whatever it takes. And then I picked up the Sunbeam light bulbs because the light over our sink burned out, so I just grabbed these, whatever. And then some Panasonic batteries. I was trying to watch Netflix on my Wii and the remote died, and I was like, we can't have this. So Panasonic. Carbon zinc. I really don't know what that is about. Hopefully these work good, but it's Panasonic, so I'm assuming they do. And then I saw people haul this. It's basically like a mini Jenga, and I thought this would just be cute to play like out on the screen porch when you're drinking wine or whatever. I don't know. And then I saw this and I couldn't help but get it. Like, how cute is that? It's a magnet, but I'll probably put it on the filing cabinet in my office just because it's so cute. And then tons of people were also hauling this. They do have a ton of cute Christmas ornaments out that are more rustic or farmhouse. So I picked up this. So stinking cute. I was gonna buy more, but I thought, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. But even like attached to gifts, I think that would be super cute. And then you guys, this Dollar Tree won me over when I saw these items because I can never find them. I found like the spring version, like a couple pieces just like on a random shelf months ago, and then I couldn't find any of the other pieces. So I need to pull that out and then compare what I purchased to see if I've got enough to make a planner now, okay? So I picked up the pocket dividers. It's got the buffalo plaid and then this cute floral and like wood plank design. And then I got these stickers that are also really cute. Some of them are blank and some of them say things like, get it girl, and to-do list. And then I picked up these note sheets this week, and there's 30, so I thought that I got the weekly last time. So between the two, I'm hoping I have enough for a calendar, but I'll have to check. And then I got the month of. This is also 30 sheets, so I don't know, but anyway, I'll maybe try to do a video on that if I can find a tiny binder, because my stores never have the binder, so I will need to find that. And that is all, you guys. I got quite a bit. I was pleasantly surprised. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to try to get back to uploading regularly now that we're kind of settled, like not quite. If you want to see a home tour, comment below. I'd be happy to do one, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.